Hold on, YouTube. For some reason, my Tradecaster Steam is playing an old one. What the heck? What is happening? I hate this thing, man. It's so annoying. Argent Trader, are you seeing an old version, right? Oh, I guess you can't even see it. It's right on my end. Nope, no, it's not. It's the link. No, a lot of people, but I don't know what I like. Well, good morning, everybody on YouTube. No, I'm here. I'm inputting the video into Tradecaster, and for some reason it's not picking it up. For some reason it's not picking it up. Ah, come on, man. There we go. It worked. It worked. I think. Yes, it did. All right. Finally, man. I'm telling you guys, every morning there's always something new with this stuff. There's always something. All right. Good morning, guys. We still got plenty of time. Well, technically, I have to do TikTok now, but this one's easy. Somehow, TikTok's not the easiest one to set up, but usually doesn't give me trouble. All right, so good morning, everybody. Let me see. Minimize that and this. All right, so we got a lot of people. We got Michael, Monks Premium, J Hart, Kexidus, Corey, Jesse, Jessica, Green Trader, Easy Money. Looks kind of right to me. Nick, yeah, it looks good on. It looked good on YouTube. Chicago, Tekken Money, Rome. Good morning. Good morning. Amy Young over on Tradecast. Argent, Diddy, Alvanar, the Trader. I think we got somebody new yesterday that was asking a question. There he is, Trader Profit. What's up? Keep saying on streaming it's finished now, and now I have to rate. How does this work? No, you should be good now. Okay, so what do we got today? We got a couple penny stocks, not that great, honestly. We got OTRK. OTRK popped up to 118, Technically, you got room on the. Oh wait, no, no, no. This one you already went past the 200 moving average. Vita. What is Vita? Is that a stock, a ticker? Trader Profit. Did you figure it out on TradeCaster? Let me know if you have any questions, Trader Profit. So OTRK already moved back past the 200 moving average, is down at 89 cents, which kind of used it as a pivot. VLTI, look it up. Kind of used it as a pivot here. So 89. I'll go ahead and mark it for you guys. Was the 200 moving average. You can see this pre-market opening here. Unless you got up at 7 in the morning, you wouldn't have caught that 200 moving average flag, and then you would have gotten this nice push there. Now it's sitting at $1, just over a dollar, so it'd be interesting to see if this holds a dollar and keeps moving up. The next daily level I got on this thing is 168, so that's kind of a far run. Maybe it gets a little bit before at 150 rejection or half dollar, but let's see how it opens up. I got it on my first chart here. TCBP is another one that's popping up. I really don't like this one. If you look 2 days ago, this is the one that went from literally in the open $4 up to 9 and then halted down. Flushed, literally went from 950 down to 5 again in the span of like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So that was nasty. Don't want to catch that. That tells me this is manipulated. That tells me somebody was pumping the stock up and somebody started to sell their big amount of shares at the top. Maybe the company themselves to get money or anything like that. So I will probably not try to be so close to this one. And well, there you go. You guys got to see my wife. Um, Either after that though, I mean it is kind of holding this 644 level. 644 level kind of looks like a key level. If you keep holding this 640, 50 level, I would say it looks like 644 to the penny, but I would probably say it's just 650. If 650 keeps holding, you might find a trade, but just be cautious on this one. ATXI, this is one that looks better. So this one ran yesterday power hour. If you guys traded this one power hour, good job. You guys know I don't usually trade power hour, so I did not trade this one at all. But pretty good running yesterday. Pretty good run. Then ended up running after hours, put in a new high, and now we're sitting here consolidating. You guys can see my level here, 219. It's holding 219. 219 looks pretty important. If we keep holding 219, let's get back over these levels here of 240, 239, 240. We're looking for that 250 and then 275 after that. So this one actually looks pretty good. Uh, there was a daily level 219 as well. That's why I have that 219. So if you guys look on your dailies, just mark 219 and go left, and you'll see exactly a tip of a wick candle there. I don't know why 275 is a high. 200 moving average up at 383 might be a little bit too far out of reach, but you never know. So paper trading today while my account settles. All right, Blair. So ATXI definitely a nice looking chart here. Definitely like this one. Couple of the other ones, I think an IPO, ACGN, not really a fan of that. And then PRTY, I think they had some type of news that I saw or something like that, but not that interested on this one. So it really is my number one stock right now that I'm liking is ATXI for the penny stocks. Would like it to see over that 240 level. That 240 level, so you can see bouncing 240, bouncing 240, bouncing 240, flushed under 240, can't get over 240, can't get over 240, can't get over 240, can't get over 240, and now we're between 219 and 240. So if this keeps holding 219, gets over that 240, this is where you want to look for the flag, the pullbacks, the low volume pullbacks. As long as you're holding that level, then you should be good. I think, I have to go against the grain here with everybody else. Let me go ahead and look at some of y'all's comments first, though. So, what you guys got? VLTA, let me look at VLTA. I read that one earlier and I didn't look at it. VLTA, 94 cents high. Room to $1.60, so that would have to be another almost 100% move. Can be done, but it's hard to do. Let me see. So there's going to be a big daily level on that huge red candle on the daily with a lot of volume at $1.02. So it looks like $1 is going to be hard to break on this one, but I'm going to throw it on my side chart because I got an empty spot. As far as the overall market, guys, this is what I'm saying. Feel like I have to go against everybody because I mean, if I look at SPY and if I just look at this little bit of a bigger time frame, I'll do 10 days, 30 minutes. Oh, I gotta go a little bit bigger days. Let's do 20 days. This is what I'm seeing. You know, rising uptrend here. One, two, three, four times bouncing on this uptrend for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and then you got that flat top at 400 on SPY. This is SPY. So what do I think? If we break 400, hold 400, we could definitely run on the SPY. You know, everybody's thinking we get a short squeeze on the SPY, acting like a penny stock. If we get over 400, we could go 401, 402, 403, maybe 405. If we lose this trend line again, or if we lose this trend line here and already topped out at 400 twice, so we already tried breaking it once, we already tried this morning again, 400 there, we cannot get over 400, get stuffed, and we lose this trend line, I could see us have a nice pullback down to 395, maybe down to that 390 target or something like that. So this is what I'm seeing with SPY. Now Tesla's a little bit interesting because Tesla is getting to a point where I don't see an obvious trade for me now. I got a couple levels marked. 137 was, well, it was like 136.60 was one that I see. But after that, you know, there's that 136.63 there. Maybe I see 141, but that's another $5 above where we are on this nice move. It could do it, but I could see us, morning Hanish, but I could see us turn back a little bit right now. Maybe reject that 136. Maybe reject all this consolidation back here. But I cannot just say I think that's what's gonna happen and just take the trade, you know. So I got this level marked 136.63. I'm gonna watch it careful here. If we want to keep running and this thing looks strong, then I'll try to buy the dip, buy a flag, buy the pullback to maybe get 140. If we just could not break this high 137.50 and we tuck under that 136.63 and just cannot go over it, then I'll try to take a short, maybe get that move back down. We got a gap fill, so this thing is about to spawn like spawn. This thing is about to gap up like $5 a share. Like it's gonna the last close was down here. This is going $5 higher. So I would not be surprised if we just cannot move forward for this thing to give back and close the gap or get pretty close to it. So we'll have to see what happens there. Rome C, yeah, I'm hoping to see Tesla go to that 140, 141 level, and that's when I'll be buying puts. All right, that makes sense. That makes sense. Terrence, what's up? Been watching Juan on and off for a few months now, so I know it's going to be worth it. Good morning, Juan. Purchasing your cores later today. Looking forward to learning, growing with you and the team. Awesome. I bought it, and there's so much value in there. Thank you, Tech and Money. Thank you, thank you. And thank you for that, Terrence, as well. Let me know if you have any questions at all. You guys know I am always here to help you guys, especially those that are in my course. You guys are the priority. TikTok people, I am live again. What's up, TikTok people? If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and shoot them on TikTok now. ATXI, it looks like market's about to open here pretty soon, so watching ATXI, and obviously I'm going to be watching Tesla right now just because it's at exactly this 136.63. I'm going to try to be careful and not rush a trade here really early on. I think a lot of the times I've gone red right away, and then I just could not get it back. So I'm going to be, or actually I just struggled to get it back. I get it back, but I always start off red. So market's about to open now. Let's see what we get. Watching SPY as well at that $400 level. If I see a clear rejection, I would not be opposed to taking some swing puts on SPY, but we'll have to see. So far, Tesla out of the gates wants to dump. If you guys look at Tesla right now on the daily, now you guys know what I'm talking about. This thing just spawns up higher. That is exactly what I'm talking about. So the last close was 131.7, and Tesla right now is at 135. So that's about a $5 gap there that the stock cannot get over. Or that cannot get over. No, that it just spawned above. So far, Tesla's still staying pretty heavy. If I was to take a trade here, I'd short any pop back up to that 136.63, but I'm going to let it do its thing for now. I am watching OTRK. So far is the only one kind of holding. ATXI is losing that 219 level. NRGV showing potential. OTRK showing potential. So as far as Tesla though, we got I could still see myself getting into some Tesla short if this popped up to that 136 level. Not 36.63, but maybe 136. Retest all these lows here. Wow, OTRK, forget about me saying this thing is looking good. This is insane. No trades yet, just watching. NRGV is the one you mentioned. Let me see. NRGV, right? NRGV showing potential. Let me go ahead and throw it on my side chart while I still watch Tesla. I mean, I knew that Tesla could go red today, and it's just not even allowing me to take a trade. NRGV, let me look at NRGV. So NRGB is actually exponential 200 is before the 200 moving average. It's got daily levels at $5. It's got that pre-market high at 4.5. So Tesla is bottoming at this kind of pre-market level. I got another pre-market level at this 135.87. So this is where if Tesla was to pop up nice up here and give me a nice flag, I could see myself shorting some Tesla up here to see if we continue going down lower. I would have to get a good entry, maybe up here VWAP 137, 135.80s, but let's see. I want to see how the tape is acting over here on Tesla. So it's already looking pretty weak, cannot bounce here. But I want to see this candle close and kind of give me another try to push up higher. And that's the one that I want to attack up here short. Here, if this gives me a nice little push higher still, I might start scaling. I'm going to take small size here. There we go. So I'm feeling as it's just squeezed up there. If it rips out of this VWAP 135 level, then I'm out. But this is going to be my stop here. I've really got to contact my freaking internet provider because this is insane, man. I'm looking for a low of day here on Tesla. I have not covered any out, so I'm still in 600. I'll cover just a little bit just in case we can't get through that low day. We found the bottom there earlier, so and then big push back up right there. So I'm going to be careful here. I've done very good at trying to hold the majority of my shares a lot, but I know a lot of the times it comes back and reverses on me. So that's kind of what it's trying to do here again. But I'm trying to be pretty patient. I want to see another spike down to cover a little more and see if I can take that low day on Tesla. I'm going to cover a little bit more here. It's not really flushing down. Cover a little more down to 300 shares. It wants to pop. I'm going to get fully out. I don't like this. And my stupid internet again is just so annoying, bro. I should have like the best internet in this whole freaking All right, it's all right, it's all right. Up $200 on the day so far. That was my first trade there on Tesla. You know, I could still see this rejection here, but I was in that trade. I was in the green, and then out of nowhere, my internet froze again. I don't know what to do. Like, and then the way that AT&T, my internet works, TCBP halted up. Oh my gosh. I think TCBP I think TCBP is the one that also has like two clean daily levels at $9.50. That every time I hit that $9.50, it literally sold off so hard. I think it's that one. So I think that's TCBP if I'm remembering correctly. Tesla, I was in short up here at 135.87. I was looking for this low of day here. Uh, it is, yeah. So I mean, maybe you get another run again to 950, and maybe it just gets literally smashed again. OTRK kind of flushed, but honestly, it's kind of trying to get back up there, so that would be interesting. Tesla, I took a short there, up 200 bucks. I think I was up 400 at the most, but couldn't hold it. I got a little bit anxious about it, so I ended up closing it. But here's a dump. Let's see if this actually holds, though. Let's see if this actually wants to keep dumping. This is staying pretty heavy here. This is staying pretty heavy. I could have maybe chased it, but I didn't, so I'm gonna leave that like that. OTRK Beheta, I have some shorts on OTRK, but the fact that it flushed and it's coming back up, it's making me a little bit eh. But I have a good amount of shorts ready on OTRK. I'm looking for that thing to try to get a pop, and I got my entry ready over here. And so if that thing gives me the pop, I'm looking to go short on OTRK. Only because that one's already over the 200. It's already gone, made a nice move. So Tesla, like I said, I almost chased it there, but didn't get that one. Microfloat 2, so TCBP, yeah. TCBP, yeah, yeah, yeah. I really would not be, guys, I would not be surprised if TCBP really does not open up, though, so be careful. Unless it does one of the mega squeezes and takes out that 950 level and then squeezes everybody out after that. See, Beheta, right now I see OTRK. It's not at a bad spot to, you see all that clean resistance at 109. I could see myself taking a short against that 109, but the fact that this thing already flushed and came back up, it's holding it, is scaring me. So always read the previous candles, always read what the stock is already doing. Tesla looks like it still wants to keep dropping, so I got an eye on Tesla. If we get a nice push down here on Tesla and I can retest this 134.4 level, I could see another possible short on Tesla, but right now it wants to keep holding that level. Taking money, small win size on TCBP. Good job. Here goes OTRK again. OTRK going for it. Let me look at OTRK on my actual chart. OTRK heading right up to high of day. I could see this squeeze through high of day, but I could see myself start adding small size short here. Keep in mind this one has a huge gap up. This one's up 100% on the day. Didn't click any shorts yet. Tesla could still cannot drop out of that level there. I could now this 19, this 109 on OTRK is holding. I could see a small pullback here if this keeps holding for the high of day squeeze. High of day clear here on this one. If this 109 keeps holding, you got 10 seconds left here on OTRK. If this 109 keeps holding, you could see a nice squeeze on this one. And honestly, I would rather it do this right now. Still watching Tesla. I got level at 134.4. It's pretty clear right there. 134.4 on Tesla. Here goes OTRK. And then TCBP resumption was eh. OTRK low volume on this candle here. SPY really hasn't done anything either. Still under 400 and above that trend line that I had is just kind of consolidating right now. There we go. Wild Boy now finally saying he could see us dropping today. Here goes OTRK. A little bit of volume increase there, but still holding that 109. Still holding this 109. I think OTRK could run right here. I think OTRK could get a nice squeeze right here. It's possible. This would be the place where it would do it. As a matter of fact, I might be looking long on this one. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at the 5-minute chart. I'm going to add on OTRK long actually. Tesla could not break that 134.4. OTRK, watch it. Watching for the squeeze. First candle to make a new high. Maybe get a nice run and then get that push all the way up to high of day potentially. And then I would be looking to go short on this. But this right here looks like a nice setup for this to go squeeze right into high of day. There it goes. There goes a little bit. There goes a little bit. Does it get stuffed or does it actually squeeze? I'm actually going to put stop at break even now. I can't lose on my long. So I can't lose on my long. But now I want to see this thing squeeze and see if I can get a high of day. Wow, Tesla aggressive sell there towards 134, so I'm really interested. So I am long on OTRK, but this is wanting to stuff here. Wabo, I see your messages. I can't read them right now. I'll get to them in a second. Nope. Stuffed that right there. So took that loss there. So Tesla wants to lose that 134.4 level here. If I get a nice pullback here, I want to see this continuation down. There now Tesla's trying to pull away. 20 seconds on this candle. Closes low with that 134 level, 134.4 level. Looks pretty clean for a retest. If I get a nice push back up to that 134.4 and then get that continuation drop here on Tesla. So here I'm looking. Any pop up, I want to start shorting here. I'll take small ad here. As this thing pops up is when I start adding. There we go, popped up a little bit more. That 134.4 is what I'm looking at. Looking for this continuation dump on Tesla. There it is. Nice little pull down there. Haven't sold any. Looking for a new low of day and see how long this thing, how much lower this thing wants to drop. So there's a new low of day. So I'm covering now there a little bit, if in case it wants to double bottom there already. But if this thing wants to keep dropping, I still got 200 shares short here. Good cost basis too, so it's up here. See, I'm still in the green right now. I could still see another tiny pullback here, 134.4. And add to my short to see if I do get that continuation down. So the fact that I flipped long on OTRK hit that kind of messed me up and I didn't end up going short on it, but that's okay, I guess. Tesla looking for the new low here. Looking for this new low and see if I get another 50-cent drop to 133 would be my next level here. But you can see it starts triple bottoming now, and you're like, oh frig, now you got to be careful, right? Any small amount of pop up you cover, you get fully out of the trade. If you get this thing to break here, then you can get a nice ride down. But right now I got 7 seconds left on this candle. If it closes low, next candle could take us down, especially right at it. Then I could see this thing continue down. So here we go. Here's the next leg down possibly. As long as we don't make a higher high here, I'm good on this trade. So I could actually, what is that, 134.07. I could actually do that, and now I'm risk free on the trade. I can always cancel it, but here comes the new low here. I'm looking to see if this thing really wants to pull away. Oh, OTRK. I'm telling you, the fact that that one was holding that first flush, it's right back up. Tesla cannot get a pop here. I'm still holding. There it goes. New low. Does it actually push? There's actually dump. There it goes. There it goes. There's a dump. I'm gonna go ahead and cover a little bit more right here. And now I'm sitting, I was sitting at $500 on the day, but I could see this thing continued lower. One more push right here. There it goes. I'm up 500 on the day. Just like that. I'm fully out of this trade. $512 profit. And let's keep looking for the next trade. Let's keep looking for the next trade. What the heck? Tech and Money? I look left to YouTube and all I see is your comments, bro. I do got to look at OTRK because OTRK is looking interesting holding this 109. And it's looking interesting to see if this thing wants to take out high day or if this thing wants to give me a nice short here. TikTok people, what's up, guys? I am back on TikTok. I did get banned on TikTok, so that's why I did not stream on TikTok for the last week. That's what happens when you make too much money and they don't want you helping out other people, so what can I say? What can I say? But I am back on TikTok. Also, guys, tomorrow, you make it look so easy, bro. Thank you. What was I gonna say? Tomorrow, I'm actually gonna be doing a co-stream with Sean himself. So we are going to be streaming together. We are gonna be trading together. But that means that it's going to be on his YouTube channel, and I will not be streaming on mine or on Tradecaster because I cannot use two cameras to send two different locations. So tomorrow, heads up, you guys are going to have to, I'll send the link in the morning. I'll send it on Discord. I know. I mean, I like it and I don't like it, but, you know, he is the Tradecaster boss, so I'm still looking at OTRK. I want to see if this thing wants to do like a fake breakout or a high day clear out here real quick. But getting ready to add here. Oh, wow. I'm not adding yet. I'm not adding short yet. I'm going to add a tiny amount if I can get filled. This thing halted up. I was telling you guys. I couldn't get it. I was telling you guys. The way this stock was trading, I can tell you the way this stock was trading, I knew this thing could squeeze. Did I not? Did I not say this? You guys see how picky I've been on my longs on small caps, and this is one that I ended up jumping in. So I did see, it kind of messed me up though because once again, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing on DAS time and cells, and then this is what I'm seeing on Thinkorswim think and cells. I forgot to check it. I don't know why this one's red and that one's all green. I think it's just because this is buy orders and sell orders, and I think DAS is depending on the bid or ask or in the middle of the spread. Tech and Money, are you nailing NRGB? Look at this NRGB. Clean pivot. Clean pivot at 450 NRGB. Tesla coming right back down, right back up to that 134.40. I'm up 500. No, I was focused on OTRK. Yeah, well, did anybody nail OTRK? What's up, guys, on TikTok? What would you guys? Can you copy my trades? Don't recommend it, but you do you. I'm not liable or responsible if you lose money. Was a question? What's up? Who's got a question? Oh, that was your question. No, that was somebody else. Can you pin your Discord and guys, please tab the screen? I cannot post links on. I cannot post links on the TikTok description or on the TikTok actual feed. You guys have to go over uh to my actual TikTok profile and then click the link there, and then the Discord link will be there. But yeah, thank you for that, King Magnus. You guys spam the like button. You guys comment on TikTok, ask me any questions, promotes more people to come in here. Currently up $500 on the day, and honestly, guys, I am still on. If I was to stop right now, I would still be on a 600 or 16-day green streak. I've not had a single red day this year, which is honestly pretty crazy. So OTRK, let's see how high this thing can go. It's past the 200. It's currently sitting at 120% on the day. You know, the next thing I could see is 150. I already got it marked. The next daily level I got is 168. And if this thing really wants to open up that much, I got a 200 moving EMA at 220, which is, another percentage up higher. So this thing did halt at 850.25, so it'd resume at 855.25. Fat G, what's up, man? Oh, you did get full share size long on ATRK. What the heck, bro? It has room up to 12 on which one? Oh, ATLX. I didn't trade it. Okay, okay, okay. I see it. So we do have about a minute left on this one, which is probably going to be my main watch right now. How to grow a $100 account. I mean, $100 might be hard, but I mean, as long as you're realistic, you can grow it into 200. You can grow it into, a couple $20, $10 wins maybe here and there, but you're not going to grow it into $5,000 in a month. So OTRK, now I'm seeing some sell orders here. I'm seeing resumption at 128, so not really higher. So this is not going to gap up out of the halt. Tesla, I almost took some trades there at 134.4 again short, but oh well. Sean Deckmar. So you guys this is why I tell you guys to join my Discord. So tomorrow morning I will post the actual link on the Discord, and so you guys can click it and then go right away to go see me. I'm kind of nervous because if I end up green today, I don't want to trade tomorrow bad and then force bad trades and have my first red day of the year. That'd suck. That would suck. Then I would just blame him and be like, oh, whatever I lose today, you gotta pay me back. Yeah, just kidding. All right, so this is gonna resume here in 13 seconds. What do you think of trading penny stocks? This is what I trade. This is right here. OTRK is about to resume here in 10 seconds, and this is a penny stock. I am looking to see if this gets a nice exhaustion push again. Hopefully, it doesn't go into another halt up. There it goes. It did go into another halt up. I added a tiny short. I'm looking ready to cover if this thing wants to squeeze. This thing looks like it wants to go. Maybe. It's getting pretty heavy, getting pretty heavy. I did add a short up at 135. I think I'm going to get out. I think this is going to go for another run. Not yet, though. Oh my god, never mind. Get off my... But again, OTRK, look at that flush rejection, and it's still holding this halt level. So holding this 126 right there. This could just go for another run. This thing looks pretty strong. Every time it wants to go flush, it comes right back up. I'm stopping out. This thing could squeeze. I'm looking to add higher. Break even trade. You got stop at 145. I'm looking to see this thing wants to just go one more time. Fat G is all out of it. Good job, man. Good job. I hope this thing tries to go one more push and stuff real hard because I'm looking to add the full share size up now. I'm telling you, this thing wants to keep running. I think if it feels like it every time it pulled down and right back up, pull down here, right back up here, didn't even make a low. It's going for it. Fadji is long TCBP. Okay. Tesla back up to that 134.4 now. It didn't get a new low and is back up to that 134.4. That's our level, right? If it reclaims that 134.4 now, watch it. It could bounce there and go right back up again. So once you identify the levels, just wait for them to be respected. Either you flag over them below it, find the clear entries, and then you guys can take those trades like that. Look at this. Look at the bid stacked right there. At 127, there was 500 orders stacked. OTRK, I don't know what to do right now. This is too risky of a long to long here. This thing could potentially flush on you and go into a halt down. You could take smaller share size. If you nail some of these trades, especially at this halt level right there, you guys know that halt levels tend to be supports, resistances. Here it goes again. Look now, look at the ask wall stacked. If you're a long trader, you look at the ask, wait for it to start chipping. If you're a short seller, you want that bids to start chipping. A lot of buy orders filled there, like 116, 15, and 190, 50. And then it restacked at 131. Took those out. Here it goes. There goes 400 at 132 now is the next level. Yep, 132 right there. So 132 right now. Once it gets one up to 132, watch the ask. Couldn't get to 132. Every night, so lose one. QQQ high day. Spy at 400 bucks. Again, another possible trade. If you guys look at Spy, yeah, thanks for calling that out, Rumsey. I just saw it. Spy, look at this 126 halt level holding on OTRK. Under this, you're toast. If you hold this level and push up higher, then you could see a nice squeeze again. Spy, if it rejects that $400, you could catch a short. If you get over that $400, you could catch a long. Canada high of day. What? So I'm getting distracted with this OTRK play here. I was looking to go short on this thing, but I'm watching it. I'm watching it. I see the resistance at 139, 140 on the daily. Sorry, excuse me. Here it goes again. Let's see if we get a squeeze. Let's see if we get a nice run. If this does that, this one flag, this two flags, maybe goes up for another push, and then maybe it's time for shorts up there. I don't really want to add down here, but Heta, are you in here? I think you're in here, right? Look at this super tight downtrend. If this thing breaks, it's game over. But it could be a false breakout too, which is why I'm looking to add as soon as that thing happens. Depends on how it acts, but yeah. You guys see Tesla now? You see that 134.40? I mentioned if we get over it, look for the dip, look for the long. It just got over 134.4, gave you a nice little dip there, and kept running, broke VWAP, sitting at 135 now. That's 60 cents a share there. This is flagging. This wants to go. This is such a clean flag. Volume is decreasing. It's holding that halt level. Every little spike gets eaten up. Every little drop gets eaten up with buyers. It looks like it wants to go, so I'm really hoping this goes for another leg up. Now that first close under 126, and we can't get back over 126. NRGV is still going, Tech and Money. Gosh dang it. Using 118 pre-market as a pivot there. Beheta, you're in here, right? Good job, man. Good job. Good job. And then I think some of you guys played it long and were fully out. So Faji got out, sold 131. Good fills there. What's up, Mahadivan Swad or whatever? You're short 128. Good job, man. Oh, you shorted just now. Or maybe you shorted earlier, but you got that fill. And RGV is still going, Tech and Money. Okay, you added, yeah. I did end up getting filled on that. I tried filling on the halt. I did end up getting filled, and then I hit the other one up here, and then I cover right there. So still a break-even trade for me, though. It's ripping for sure. NRGV, yeah. This is so annoying, man. Tesla still at that 134.4. Let's see what it does here. If you look at the 5-minute, this looks like a giant bear flag, even though you're looking at this level, but the 5-minute is telling me otherwise, so if I lose this 134.40 again, I will see if I can add a short back down to low day. OTRK, I cannot short this thing unless it gives me a good entry, so I'm just going to put an alert on it and wait and see if I get a giant squeeze on it. OTRK pivot, 118 maybe, but when you come out of a flag that you just flagged for 10 minutes and you couldn't go higher, that's like buying the breakdown. That's like selling the breakout. You're going against it, so I'd be careful. Tesla here, I'm just watching it. I still think Tesla could go more down today. Wild Boy was in here earlier saying he also could see everything going down. So watching SPY, see if it rejects that 400. Cannot get over 400 on SPY. Beheta. Get it, man. I don't know that Tesla really wants to run, so I'm gonna look for this double top C here maybe. Man, that thing is dropping nice for you, Bejeta. I think it's dropping nice for you. I did jump into a Tesla short here. Look, I mentioned the 5 charts showing me a giant bear flag, so my risk to reward trade, the best one, is going to be taking the top of this flag here, trying to anticipate the move back down again and break of 134.4. So I got 200 shares here, didn't go full size, but I'm looking for this thing to get under that 134 again. I am up an extra 80 bucks right now. I didn't get full size in, but I'm looking for this one to keep dropping. I'm tempted to put a break-even stop and let this one see if it wants to run. Oh, actually, my break-even stop is right there. Either way, I'm tempted to just let it do its thing. I gotta lose that 134.4 though. I gotta get a nice dump. I gotta get a nice dump out of this 134.40 right here. The 5-minute chart here is telling me everything that I need to know in order to take this trade and be confident in it. If it goes against me, I stop out break even here, but to me this is looking still pretty good. I missed the OTRK short, but I'm upset, man. But I'm glad you nailed it, bro. I'm glad you nailed it. So good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Here goes Tesla. There it is. And this is the level I want to crack. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Look at this beautiful Tesla trade again. Look at this beautiful Tesla trade again. Look at this thing crash on down. Look at this thing continue dumping. We got 20 seconds left here. This is not stopping. Look at this thing go. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, you cannot be serious, dude. This is insane. This is not okay. This is not okay. This is not okay, bro. That is unacceptable, dude. I was frozen for like 30 seconds right there. That is unacceptable, bro. I've got to do something, man. Stupid AT&T is the worst internet provider you can ever think of. It's still dropping. It's still dropping. And look at this trend line right here. If this thing gives out, free fall, free fall, free fall. Am I making money still? What do you mean am I making money? I used my hotspot. Dude, it feels like it, dude. It feels like I'm using my hotspot. I'm telling you, dude, I was frozen for like 30 seconds right there. I got scared. This is unacceptable. I gotta do something, dude. I could see this trend line here holding, but ultimately I'm looking for this dump here. This thing might pop back up, maybe get another re-entry higher, but I do think Tesla could keep going lower today. Could get another low day. Vegeta's over there chilling though. That OTRK is money for him. I don't know what it keeps doing. It had never done it before, and then like started last week, and now at least like once a day it just freezes on me, and it's really annoying. Right there I was in with 200 shares, which wasn't bad, but if I would have been in there with that 2,000 share on Tesla, 1,000 share on Tesla, and it freezes on me like that, dude. In 30 seconds, I could be down a grand or up a grand. That's crazy. Or 2 grand if I was in with 2K. That's insane. Actually, it's more than like okay, but that's what I thought. I thought it was gonna be the stream, but how would my stream lag my thinkorswim? Because my stream freezes, but my thinkorswim freezes itself too. Like time and cells freezes, level 2 freezes, my chart actually freezes, and at that point I actually tried closing the trade out, but because it was lagged, it didn't execute the trade until after it came back. So it took a long time. So I don't know what it's doing. I don't know if it's literally this PC cannot handle it, which I would be shocked because this PC is supposed to be pretty decent. I got good stuff in there, so no, I'm plugged in Ethernet. This is still going lower, man. Yeah, no, my whole stuff freezes, so it's making me think it's something else other than the stream. Maybe it's just too much stress, or I don't know, man. But it wasn't like this. I might be looking to get out fully out of Tesla here. Can I get a push down to be up 750 on the day? Nope. Maybe. Maybe so. Yep, 760. There it goes. Oh my God, it's still going. Of course, this is the one that I jumped in tiny size. I'm gonna cover some there. You know what? Fully get out. $757 today. All right, what's up, TikTok? Sorry, man. I had everybody on TikTok. I had little issues there. I jumped into another trade, nailed the trade, and then I was look at this thing still going. Oh my gosh. But man, I've been on point. This is insane. This is insane, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot I took OTRK long earlier. I was up like 70, 80 bucks on that, but I took a negative $5 loss here. But this is insane, guys. I have had 16 days green in a row right now, all like over 500, 600, $700. Anyways, let's keep at it. Let's keep at it. Let's keep at it. OTRK long 113 super tight mental stop, loss of a break, solid call on HKD. Good job, guys. Jhar, I think you're ready for larger size on Tesla. Are you done for the day? Call your provider and ask for activity report as long as you have had interruptions. I'm gonna do that. But let me try something again. Let me do a speed test again just to see what it's showing right now. Speed test. Because maybe it does it. I was thinking maybe it's also because I have Guardian open, and maybe Guardian itself is also putting more stress now. So now I got Thinkorswim with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff on this PC, guys. This is crazy. So I got Thinkorswim running with 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, including my main monitor. So this is all one. That's 9 different charts. Then I got Trade Ideas running. So Trade Ideas is just a scanner. I don't know if that uses a lot of RAM or not. Then I also got Guardian running, which Guardian's got 1, 2, 3 charts running, plus level 2 and time and sales. And then on top of that, I'm streaming to YouTube. I'm streaming to, well, I guess, Tradecaster, same thing. And then I'm streaming to TikTok at the same time. So maybe it really is just too much. I don't know. Anybody PC experts? Because I am PC literate, man. But I know that these numbers right here are plenty, right? Download, upload, isn't upload basically streaming? Aren't these numbers like perfect? How long can I take? OTRK, I don't think OTRK. Oh my gosh, Tesla! No! No, man. The one trade, I don't take it full share size, and then I stop out early. Oh my gosh, no. This is insane. I literally shorted it right there. I top ticked that candle right there. This is not stopping. This is not stopping. How low is this going to go? Close the gap entirely? Um, whoever, yeah, I do got to do that. Who, the gap fill is down to 131.7, so it's still got a little bit more room. 131.7 closes the gap on Tesla, so we could still see it a little bit further pushed down to 131.7, but you would have to get a good entry on this thing to keep it going lower. Maybe if it popped up to this area again, anywhere up here, and then look for the short back down to 131.7, but this is already selling off pretty crazy, so. OTRK, like I said, I don't see anything on OTRK. Tesla, though, Tesla had a very nice. I mean, if you guys want to trade OTRK, you know I'm not good at nailing the trades down there when it's consolidating super low. But I mean, I guess if OTRK got back up to that 126 level, I could get a little interesting. Tesla, the gap fill is not until 131.7, so we still got a little bit further room down. So let's see. If I get a clean pivot up here, I might add some. I'll add tiny, tiny size for now. This is the candle that's had the most volume on the day besides some of the opening ones when market open. So gap fill all the way to 131.7. I mentioned it this morning before market open. Tesla could just go down and close this gap fill. It was a pretty big range, but look at it now. Look at it now. It's attempting to. Another pop up here. I could add. Waiting for the big. Okay, well, I'll just add there. This is pretty extended down, but I'm looking for just one more push down. If this thing rips, I'm out, but I'm looking for this pivot. I'm in a little early too. I should be adding now and almost break even, but even up here in this area, I'm still comfortable holding this. It's not a big share size, so I'm looking to just make a little bit extra here if I can get this trade to work. Even if it popped up tiny bit, maybe 133.5 is my final stop, but I'm still comfortable in this trade here. Unless it wants to just drop now and just go straight down to 131.7. There's a new first candle make a new low already. I'm back in the green. Wow. This candle right here does got to keep pushing low pretty fast though, or at least get a nice close low. So yeah, trying to bouncing. Still got more room higher, so it could just go for another push up, but oh my god, again, dude, that stream stuff. I guess I'll see tomorrow if I'm trading with Sean if at any point I lag or not. I'm still in this Tesla short here, small size. I'm looking to see if we just close the gap back down to 131.7, adding up here, and see if I get another nice run down to 131.7, close the gap completely, and then I could find some support down here. Time on sales is getting heavy. There's a push down. There's a push down. Looking for the candle to make a new low again. Trapped a lot of buyers here, so looking for this thing to continue lower. If this thing takes this low here, if this thing takes this low right here, I'm instantly looking for that low there. And then see if I get the nice push. There we go. I'm so close to $800 on the day now. Looking for this thing to keep selling off. Candle's about to close. That's such a strong close. Keep dropping. There we go. Now I'm up $800 on the day. I was about to take some profit there. I was so slow on that. But I'm still here. I'm still here. I should have had that order ready. I had to look down and select share size, and I didn't get the fill there, but I guess this is even better. If this thing drops here, now I'm really looking for 131.7. Back to $800 on the trade now. I'm really looking for this close low. 20 seconds left. Don't make a new high. I'm not liking this. I had to cut that trade. $40 loss. I thought I had it. I was too slow to take profits. And that was on me. NRGV is still going. What is up with NRGV? What is my broker? TD Ameritrade is my broker. What size is your account, bro? I need to turn back into a certain size every month. How much did you put in that trade? I trade shares, so I put a lot into every trade. But you guys can trade options and trade and put a lot less money than I do. So I am sitting at $706 on the day now. I was up 750, so I gave back 50 bucks there. I was up another 50, 60. I was up to $800, but that's okay. I could see this thing just one more drop to 131.7 though, and you guys can see I was adding here. I was just a little bit late on it, so I added a little earlier, but this is a pivot I was looking to hold right there. And RGB is still running, but it's easy to borrow. I've noticed that lately. It's easy to borrow. It's likely a trap. And oh, that's also true. So good, good observation there. OTRK sold the rest. That was a nice reversal. Good job, Fadji. HKD, if you mark it in, good luck. It'll select the top wick for you. Yeah, if you guys see those super big markets, what's it called? Hey, good job, Jims. You got some of that short. Good job. Um, yeah, so HKD, when you guys look at the spreads and you see a huge difference, either don't trade it or don't use the market orders, but you will get terrible fills. You will be in the negative as soon as you click buy. And it won't be like a little bit like, look at HKD. ATXI? Oh, ATXI is trying to squeeze. ATXI, yesterday's high was 229 during the day, so it's right at 229. This tiny spike right there, so let's see if we get over that 229. I would like to see one last short on Tesla. Maybe this thing wants to spike up, kind of trap some buyers, and then shabam, slam it back down. But you are looking at a place where it is pretty sold off right there. A lot of sellers got in here. A lot of sellers like myself got in here. So if you do get a pop out of here, this thing could squeeze right back up pretty fast. But I do think, well, I don't think. I do want to look for another trade here. Maybe to see if I can get that ATXI. ATXI is pushing nice. ATXI is squeezing some shorts to see that 131.7 completely gap fill close. Welcome everybody on TikTok. If you guys are new, welcome here. If anybody's new on YouTube or Tradecaster, welcome to the team. Let me know if you guys are here for the first time. I know somebody on my YouTube recap yesterday mentioned they were new here and decided to or mentioned they were going to be in here today. So if you guys are here for the first time, let me know. ATXI is looking pretty interesting. It's going pretty parabolic though, but this is healthy volume. Look at the volume pushing this: 300,000, 400,000, 300,000. Beheta, you must have closed OTRK at the perfect time too. It's just going sideways now. ATXI having a little pullback here, but how many stocks do I watch at a time? Technically, I got 7. That's a lot. Seven plus three chats. 7 plus 3 chats. Oh, what's up, Rehan? You're the first time here, new, and you want to learn how to trade. I am going to mention this, Rehan. So if you really want to start learning how to day trade, I do offer a course. You can see that I'm trading live right in front of you today. I'm up $700. And honestly, I haven't had a single red day all year. My average has been $800 every day. Not every day, but most of the days. But if you really want to learn, I'm doing it legit, so I'm not a scam. I do offer a course, and this goes for everybody. I do offer a course. If you're on TikTok, it is on the TikTok bio. If you're on YouTube or Tradecaster, then you guys will have to join my Discord, and it's on my Discord link as well, inside my Discord. I can open the 150 off, so I'll open it here in a second. 150 off, and you get $150 discount on the course. So just type in 150 off, no spaces. Course starts off from complete beginners. So if you have no idea what a stock is, I explain it. I explain how stocks move up, how to read the charts and stuff, and then I go into strategies, patterns, all that stuff. So, any questions you guys know about the course, you can always ask me ahead of time, and it's always there for you guys if you guys are ready to learn. Another thing is, everybody that's in my course, if they ask any questions, if they want any videos, further explanation, they have instant access to ask me. They're put into a private Discord, so they can ask me there. If they start trading real money, if you start trading at all, you can always send me your trades, and I review them for you and tell you, oh, that's a good trade, no, that's a bad trade, no, that's just a good loss, bad loss, stuff like that. So that also helps. I know the feedback I've given a lot of the people there has really helped them to see things that they didn't know. So ATXI, what a dump, dude. What a trap. Oh my gosh, what a trap. Becca, I'm telling you, if you see green on any of these penny stocks now, you just gotta click the sell button. Plus one really helps you too, and he's here every day. Yep. So anything you guys need, I'm here for you guys. ATXI, what a dump there. That was nasty. How's everybody's day looking so far? Green, red, no trades. I think you need to learn Juan's price lines. What do you mean my price lines? Is OTRK done? I would not buy OTRK. The thing is, guys, when you see those stocks like that, there's look at Tesla. I'm telling you, if this thing catches shorts here, this thing could run. The thing is, guys, when you see that OTRK like that, if you're buying where it's at right now, you're playing a 50-50 that this stock comes back or it doesn't come back. But if you wait for OTRK, you know, obviously it might not happen at all, and so you might be sitting here all day and not find the trade. But if you get OTRK over 126, maybe even over 120, you see those two random spikes just before this up to 120, could not break 120. If you get a spike over 120 and you start holding 120, there you can take the trade from 120 to 126, right? If you hold 126, then you got 126 to 140, and you take it like that. I'm watching Tesla here. It just tried spiking over that level here and could not break it. So I'm curious to see if Tesla has one more chance down. You're waiting until TRK gets to 0.90 to start making money. What do you mean? Did you short at 0.9? It's a solid example to go back tonight and run through replay mode to see if you can exit prior to flush levels or hotkeys. Did you get out on that one, Fat G, or you weren't even in it? Chicago Trader, man, what are you talking about, bro? You got $400 day on Tesla today? That's awesome, man. Okay, okay, yeah. You got FOMO'd. That's alright, though. That's alright. You might get lucky today, but just always know your priority is always to protect your gains, man. Protect your gains. Or protect your capital, I should say. Look at Tesla. I'm telling you, it was going to trap a lot of buyers, get them excited for this break, and this thing could just go right back down to 131.7. Looking at Tesla, looking at Tesla. I could see one last dump on this thing. I want to see it 131.7 just hit, close the gap, and then I'll be done with this thing. Oh wait, wrong place. This tried pushing up, got over that pivot, couldn't get higher. I'm in some Tesla short, small size again. Trying to see if I do get the push down again. Here we go. I'm looking for this low and potentially back down to here. There we go. There we go. Potentially down to there and then back down to 131.7. This is what I'm looking for. This right here is what I'm looking for. There it goes. Nice push down. There it goes. Up $800 on the day again. 131.7 is my target. 131.7 is my target. I'm going to not make the same mistake again, so I'm going to close half. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 131.7. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is like ATXI. This is literally ATXI. What is happening? This is ATXI, bro. What the heck? This is worse than ATXI. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know that I took a single. Well, I took one red trade on Tesla, but oh my gosh. Dude, I'm psychic in the markets, guys. Like, at this one, I don't believe myself, bro. At this one, I don't believe myself. This is going for another leg down. Look at that 131.7 holding. There it goes. There it goes. Give me to $850 on the day. $850. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Why couldn't I close it? 852. Dude, this is insane, man. Dude, I don't know how I keep doing this day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. 2023 is just a different. This is just a different year, guys. This is insane. Jim's got that short again, man. I'm telling, if you could just read the charts and what everything is telling you, guys. I know that there's a gap fill. I know that this was weak. I know that it tried once, couldn't break it. Tried once, stuffed. That's two stuffs on that pivot right here. What did it just do? It buyers, buyers. Boom, 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 boom. Buying for this breakout, trying to get the squeeze. What happens when they get stopped and when they get right back down? Stop, stop, sell, 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 sell. Oh, come on. Oh, this is still free falling. Man, of course today I didn't push share size. I don't know why. Well, I guess I did a couple times, but most of these trades I didn't. Should have been a way bigger day. I nailed a lot of trades today. I don't think I went red big. So, took that initial trade. That was a winner. That was a winner. That was a winner. That was the loss. $40 loss. And then, boom, right back down to $150 winner. That's crazy. NRGB might be getting to backside now. So, such a long time. Got the checklist. 3, 4, 5, 6. What the price is. I was trading Tesla, everybody on TikTok. So, who was asking to learn Rihan? Okay, okay. What's up, man? Everybody else. What's my monthly income from trading? I'll tell you that today I am up 850 bucks. But got out before you, paper hands. I got out early too. I got out right at 131.7. This thing's still dropping right now. And Spy, I told you guys, watch that $400 level on Spy. It rejected. I don't trade Spy that often, but I kind of keep it on watch. As it's stock that I got on watch up here. You know, that 400 level I did mention, watch rejection. We saw it twice already pre-market and then yesterday during market open. So $400 level on Spy was not going to crack. If I said if it cracks and you get over 400, look for the long. If maybe today was just an easy day to trade Tesla because I look at Spy and this is a jumbo mess, bro. What is this? And then I look at Tesla and it's nice trades there. So I nailed this one. Let me look at it again. Hello. So I nailed that one, nailed that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, 4 were green. And the red was literally 50 bucks red. Gosh dang it, dude. Oh my god, this is actually free falling. Oh, OTRK. Holy crap. Man, Beheta, you read this. Hold on. What? Oh, that was Tesla. Man, Tesla is actually free falling. Holy crap. What am I trading now? I don't think I'm trading anything right now. I was looking at Tesla, but Tesla already made its move down. I caught a little bit of it, but it is still. Oh my! It's actually free falling. It's worse than ATXI now. It's actually worse than ATXI. Oh my gosh. Wow. Your trading method applies to large stocks so well, haha. Maybe you should give us small caps and switch completely to large caps. No, I still like the small caps. The small caps are entertaining because sometimes when I nail those big, like, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. I shorted ATXI and look at it now. This right here is called the floor wash right here. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. What the heck? What is happening? Fat G, man, you're like me, bro. How do you always go from red to green? It's insane. How do you always go from red to green, Fat G? You're insane, bro. Good job, man. Everybody give Fat GQ, uh, everybody give Fat GQ a congratulations, thumbs up. Or I guess you can't thumbs up, but everybody on YouTube, guys, please, 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 everybody on YouTube, Fat G, congrats, good job, dude. You're killing it. You're awesome. Anything. No, I didn't show OTRK. Fat G deserves it, man. He's absolutely killing it. Look at this ATXI short that I took. You see this whole bottom right there? After that stuff, nobody's gonna buy it. So there's the floor is holding the whole time. Sometimes you can get a very nice straight through a floor wash like that. So I almost added more right there. And there's a floor. I appreciate it. Coffee and me tomorrow. No, good job, man. Thanks for being part of the team, man. Thanks for killing it. Thanks for giving us your recaps. Thanks for everything. Ha! You shorting OTRK? No, I shorted ATXI. Did you see it, Bajeta? Look at this. Wait for the floor wash at $2. You just absolutely collapsed. But I didn't have big share size because you know that's a riskier trade. So not the best share size there at all. Oh, Fat G. Uh, on Tradecaster, Jim's commented your name, but he put FAT space G. Wait until I tell him how you spell Fat G. His name is like this. That's his actual name on YouTube. I just call him Fat G. Oh, OTRK. Yeah, I. That's the level that I was looking at earlier, right? That 120. If you get a good entry here, it's not a bad spot. But I think I'm gonna stay away. I don't know why today I really didn't push share size on Tesla. That's kind of frustrating. Today probably been one of the best days. You know, look at my winning trades on Tesla. I got 600 shares. This was the best trade right here. That was only 200 shares. And then this was the best trade here. Again, only 200 shares. Kind of weird, but okay. TikTok people, what you guys got? You guys have like weird conversations over here sometimes. Damn, look at all those pinche buy and sell orders, bro. Oh, sorry, bro. I actually have that on for myself. I can lower it down though for sure. I have it on so that way I know when people are messaging, you know. It's on my end, so it's picking it up through my mic. I turned it down a little bit. Here, you tell me if it's still bothering you. Thank you though. Possible short at 130 level on Tesla. Oh, that 130 level was yesterday's level. I don't know. Let me look at it. That 130 level, now that you mention it, was pretty important yesterday. I remember, I remember. I remember, bro. Um, Actually, it's like 130.59 is what I'm seeing here. Hold on. So, what is this level right here? Oh, it's a different frick. Still in that green streak? Yes. Darth Trader? Yeah, I'm still in that green streak, bro. Today I'm up 850 bucks. Look at my last. Let me see. Look at this year, dude. 2 Mondays were holidays. This is pretty great. I've never in my life had an all green month It seems so far away, and I'm not gonna try to aim for it, but let's just see what happens. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 days left in this month. That's a lot. Google drop. I think everything is dropping today, and Wildboy did call that out this morning. What is my share size on Tesla and your stop loss? I don't have any Tesla trade right now. It's all closed. And my share size depends. What pair? I'm not trading Forex. I'm trading stocks. Today I traded Tesla. It depends. You know, if I feel really confident on the trade, I'm taking. There goes OTRK a little bit. Bounce off that level. 116 still. You know, yesterday I took some of the biggest share size I've taken on Tesla, which was I think 2K shares at the max. And most of the other trades I was in with, 500 to 1500. Today I think my max share size was 600. I don't know why I did that, but it's just kind of what I ended up doing, and it worked out. I still made 850 bucks, but that just means that I traded better today than I did yesterday, or I got more range today than I did yesterday. Or also that I didn't go red today, because yesterday I started off red 700, and then made it all back, and then again 600, and then made it all back, and then I was unrealized 900 loss, and then made it all back on one trade that I made like 1800. So I went from negative 900 to 1,000 on that trade. I think I ended up closing it for 500, but yeah, that was pretty crazy. Crazy day yesterday. Today was kind of easy, chill day. Just make it 150 bucks, be done. Yeah, I took 2K shares on Tesla yesterday. Only once though. Most of the other ones were 1,500. But that 2K share I'll show you. So that 2K share was, unfortunately I didn't get the nice move. Like today you can see clean moves, clean drops, right? I took that 2K share right here. Added 500, added 500, added 500, added 500. My cost basis was absolutely gorgeous. Like right here I was still up like 200 bucks. I was like, what the heck? And then I got that dump right there. But I was looking for down to this level here, and then I was looking down for a VWAP. You know how today you getting those clean dumps on Tesla, or clean rip or clean dump. I was looking for that down here. I went from negative 900 to positive 1,000 right here, and I ended up getting stopped out right there real quick because I didn't want to hold that into a red trade. And then I followed it somewhere. I think I did end up following it here again. I'd re-entered for that move back down and covered really down there, good down there at VWAP. I don't remember. Oh, here I could show you. Yeah, look, negative 500 and negative 1500. So that's 2K shares right there. And then I did get 600 shares short right there, back down, covered perfectly down here. So that was my last trade of the day. Made like 300 there, maybe. But today, Tesla sold off pretty hard. ATLX testing high day. Rome C. Rome C. ATL. How are you doing today, Rome? You watching mRNA? No, but somebody did mention it, so let me look at it because somebody said selling off all day. Also had a huge gap up. Did they have news or something? SPY is free falling now too. Hold on, I gotta check something. What's today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 more days. Today's Wednesday, right? So 2 more days would be the 20th. So expirations are on the 20th. I had some stuff open, so I wanted to see. Anyways, Spy is dumping. Tesla still hanging out around there. I think Tesla might. Rumsey, you're red now. It's okay, man. My biggest problem is I stop out of the trade too early and don't add. Know when it goes my way. You don't have to add when you got a winner. I think ATLX had offering on the 10th shorts pile and squeezing ATLX. Trader profit. I think getting the best possible entry and the best possible trade quality setup allows you to not be so mentally um like on the trade itself. Like I'm trying to think of how to word this. So for example, like that 2K trade on Tesla yesterday, right? It might not be the best example, but I'm trying to show you something. I just mentioned I had 2K shares short on Tesla right here. Like literally top tick these two candles. My cost basis was somewhere around here. Right? When this candle's even this green candle, if this candle would have pulled down right there, I'm up, 200 bucks. But that having the cost basis be up here or whatever this is right there, when this candle opens up, even if this wouldn't have dumped, if it just hovers around here, break even, slightly negative, mostly positive on the trade. That right there in itself gives me so much confidence on the trade, right? If I was to take that trade with 2K shares and my cost basis is here, you're thinking that's not a lot, dude. If my cost basis is right there, right here, as soon as these two candles pull up, it's not a big move. It's not a big move, but this is how you got to think either way because even if you trade in small size, you're still going to be in the red. But in my scenario, instead of being up 200 on the trade break even, as soon as these candles pull up and they're trading here, I'm down 400 on the trade, right? Now this is pretty tight range, but it's kind of giving you that example that I'm trying to get to. Now I'm down 400 on the trade. I'm more likely to stop out if this thing just tiny spikes up. I'm like, I gotta cut it. I'm down 500. Get out of the trade. And at that point, it still could have been under this pivot. It still could have been under this flat top right here. Look at this flat top right there. But at that point, I'd be up. I'd be down 800 bucks. If my cost basis is here, and this thing goes against me, and now it's sitting there. Now I'm only down 400 bucks, but I got a clean flat top here. At this point, I would be down 400. I could still say, you know what, down 500, my stop is right above it. You have more leeway on the trade. You have more confidence on the trade, and you're not so rushed to be, oh, I'm already down 400. If you take the trade here, and this trade is right here, you're not down 400 on the trade, and that's what happens to a lot of beginners because they get a really bad entry and then they go red, and then they panic, and they're like, "Oh my God, I'm already losing $50. I'm already losing $20 on this trade. This is not gonna go in my favor." Boom, close the trade out. You lose 20 bucks, and then you wait 30 seconds, a minute later, and this thing just goes right in your favor. And I cannot stress enough how many beginners would go, "Gosh dang it! If only I would have held one more minute. Gosh, if only I would have held 2 more minutes. If only I would have held an extra 30 seconds on the trade, I would have been green." And that happens a lot of the times. But the reason is they cannot get those top tick entries. They cannot get those pullbacks. They cannot be patient for those entries. And I think I'm very patient on that. Even if I'm not, I take a small share size, and then as it goes up to a better price, I scale in higher, and then there's when I'm, boom, I attack it. As a matter of fact, on this trade, I jumped in 500, like I'm saying. I jumped in small size. I jumped in small size. It pulled up against me. Now I'm like, okay, I'm smashing this. So then I just brought my average up here. My cost basis right here. I'm sitting in the green here, 200 bucks. I'm not worried about it. There, if it just flushes, I'm good. You know, even if it pushes up, I'm down 400. That's it. I'm not gonna be 800, $900 red. So I would say watch your entries. Watch your entries. See where you're taking the trades. Are you getting the best possible entry? Or are you chasing the move, getting red, closing it out, and then you take the loss, and then maybe it did go in your favor. But does anybody know why everything is dropping? Large caps, indices, small caps, and even crypto dropped at the same time. Any report or news? Probably not. Probably just things rallied for the last 6 days, and I saw that coming into SPY. So pre-market today on SPY, I had this drawn for you guys. You know, we came out of this channel. We had that channel in mind. Powell has COVID. Well, that might be something, but either way, uh, we rallied from 378 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days on SPY that we were just grinding up. Of course, at some point it's gonna break, right? Look at this trend line: one touch, two touches, three touches. Even it got a final touch this pre-market right there, and then heading up to a pretty important level, $400 resistance up here. At that point, you're like, okay, yeah, this could be the top of this move here. Let's try to take some trades here. And honestly, today could have been a top tick entry on SPY. I mentioned that 400. You could have literally shorted 400 bucks. The clean rejection of 400 bucks. And that could have been more than just a day trade. You might be even able to swing that if this thing really keeps hanging this low. Right here, look at this. 400 resistance. Tried once, tried twice, smacked back down, tried to push up. There's a clean lower high entry there. I'm watching MR. No, I did not. You ate off that Tesla put as well. I have a price target, a PT of 194. Market's still open. Yes, market's open for a lot of hours still. Oh, I guess Ethereum laid off 11% of their staff too. I didn't know that. Rome C's back to green. Let's go. Dragon Trader still struggling. You got it, Dragon Trader. You got it, man. You got it. I'm probably not going to take any more trades today, guys. There's no need for me to risk $850 on the day, so I might be calling it here pretty soon. If you guys have any tickers or anything in mind, you guys let me know, and I can take a look at them for you guys real quick. Like always, you guys, thanks for being here. Hit the like button. Go watch my recaps. Hit the like button on there. Go leave some comments on my YouTube recaps so more people can see them. More people can come on this live streams. Oh frick. What else? What else? What else? Course. I'll open the 150 off right now if you guys want it. So if you guys want to take 150 off on the course, it'll be ready for you guys here after stream. Coin. I heard a lot of things about coin recently too. This also would have been a nice short. Look at the run it's had on the last couple days. This thing rallied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Simple trend line here. Could have found an entry. It could have been a low entry there, once it cracked the trend line here. And then, let me see. These are the ways you can find trades. So, you're looking at coin on the daily and you see it's already extended, right? So, first of all, have kind of a mentality of what you think that stock is going to do. So, in my mind, I was thinking Tesla's a short today. just because it gapped up. I had a gap fill. It was green a couple days. It ran pretty strong 2 or 3 days. I was thinking short coin. I mean short Tesla. Same thing with coin, right? It's up a lot. Did it gap up? Didn't gap up, but ran into market open. So at this point, you're just thinking, I'm kind of more short bias on this trade. Let's find the short. You see this nice push. You see this nice kind of a trend line pattern, rising wedge, whatever you want to call it. It's so simple sometimes, guys. Just find the break, find the retest, find the lower high, attack it, and then short it. Or play it long if it's the other way around. So it would have been right here. As soon as this trend line broke, it got on the backside. It tried pushing. It tried pushing. Couldn't get it. There's when you take some shorts. You're looking for VWAP first target. Then you lose VWAP. Maybe that could have been a riskier ad there, but you same thing. You lose VWAP. You tried going over. You tried going over. You tried going over 3 times. Maybe you short into those pops there. And then look at this fade. That's crazy. Tesla back down to lows. Oh my gosh. Time to clear my drawing. Way too many lines. But it is that 130 level on Tesla. I don't know that this is going to keep dropping. Well, actually, SPY is dropping pretty bad. Do you have a trading course? I do. I do have a trading course, and I do work pretty closely with all of the people in my course. So they send me their trades at the end of the day. I review them. If they got any questions, I answer them for them. You know, they have instant access to me. They are in a private Discord where I know they are part of my course. So anytime they got any questions, they can reach out to me there. I tell them nonstop any questions, anything that they need further explanation, anything that they need another video on or something, I can make for them as well. So if you are interested in my course, you can. Are you a long bias or short bias on low floaters? I would probably say both now. I was only long, but since I opened my short account, I've been shorting some of these. But I'd probably say both. Probably still long bias since I've only been shorting for like a month and a half, but I'm playing both sides. But yeah, so that course, type in 150 off, no spaces, so 150 off, and you should get that discount today if you are interested in that. If you do buy the course, there is a link in the first or two videos, first video or second video. Join that Discord link. That is the private access one where only course members are a part of. So that way, that's the way you'll reach out to me and stuff. Do I know where to get crypto signals? No, I don't look at anything crypto related. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me today. So I took a loss on OTRK, $5 loss. I think it was a good trade. As a matter of fact, I could have maybe kept it or averaged down. I think I took it right here. Noticing the stock wanted to run, so I could have added again there and then would have gone that squeeze there. Unfortunately, I didn't. But I did take the loss there, and then on Tesla, obviously, my main stock for the day, I made $852. So it keeps my green streak going, green every single day. This is why I stream for free, so you guys know that I am legit, that I do make money. Here's my stats. You guys saw me make that live with you. And so if you guys want to learn off from me and from my course, then you guys know that I'm not a complete scam. So, or a scam at all, not a complete scam, because that makes it sound like I'm a partial scam. Anyways, you guys take care for the rest of the day. Go check out my YouTube. We got hit a thumbs up. Leave some comments if you guys have any questions. If you guys need any video ideas or requests, just in general that I can put on YouTube, I can do that as well. Bottom ATLX. Oh, boom, ATLX. Yeah, good job, Rumsey. I don't know how you trade these low floats, man. It's so interesting. I guess the daily showed a pretty nice breakout out of 860s, but maybe this is just continuation. Good stuff, Rumsey. Good stuff. You got back to green, and this probably helped you out even more, so good job. Oh, reminder again, guys. Tomorrow I will send you guys the Discord link on the YouTube link on Discord because I'm not gonna be streaming normal tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm streaming with somebody else combined on their YouTube, so it'll be a joint stream. So we're gonna hop ideas from each other and see what we can make happen. Yes, Trader Profit. Yes, but tomorrow's the only exception. And this is literally the first time ever that we do this. So tomorrow is going to be the exception. But join my Discord link. As a matter of fact, let me show you. Let me send you my Discord link so you guys can join it. Um, I will post the link on there, and you guys can go ahead and watch it there because it will be different tomorrow, and hopefully, you guys will join there. I'm streaming with Sean Deckmark. He's a pretty famous guy. Kills it all the time as well. Awesome guy. So there's my Discord link. You can join that, and I'll post a link there. Good job. How to videos you made for 500 bucks on OTRK. Good job. Nate Trade's never heard of him. Here's the Discord link for YouTube. I am kind of curious. Well, I guess most of you guys are done, but how many of you guys uh are Tradecaster members but still watch me or watch or at least have me on a lot of the like a majority of the days? His energy is crazy. It's insane. I know. Caveman is. Nate Trades is. Trader Dad. So a couple of you guys. Couple of you guys. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of you guys. Phil, you were as well. Okay. So a couple of you guys. Couple of you guys. All right. All right, guys. I'll head out. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here, and I'll send the link on the Discord.